am very curious. I've never been to Penghu. I know almost nothing about it.
You have so much places to go, Andrew.
I know.
Fascinating place.
But let me make it easy for you guys. Start with the food. Sell me. What do we got? What do we got?
We got the sweets.
We got the sweets right now?
Very important. Jenny.
Yeah, here is my favorites. This is the black brown cake.
Brown sugar cake?
Brown
sugar cake.
This
This is so good.
This is so good.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's so soft and chewy.
Yay.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you want to spike it immediately?
Yeah.
Pasta.
That's
Perfect.
so
This
good.
is fresh.
Okay,
It's
give you
perfect
straight,
for
it's easier.
breakfast,
Right.
snack,
Right.
for a midnight snack.
Okay.
So Penghu is particularly famous for brown sugar cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember
And
I
you-
tried the famous brown sugar grappa bao in Penghu. Amazing. Like the manto was of brown sugar.
So like savory and sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delicious.
And you have to go with this. This is not just
Oh.
ordinary milk. This is almond milk.
Yes, yes.
And it's really different from the Western almond milk as well.
Right. It's not. It's kind of cooked, right? There's a process to it, and it's a
Yes.
bit reduced,
And-
so it's a bit concentrated.
Right.
It
It's
smells
so
so
strong.
good.
They actually call that almond tea, not almond
Right.
milk. Even if it's like, it
Right.
feels like almond milk,
Well,
right?
I think because you brew it, right? You got to do something to it. So the tea makes a lot more sense.
This is so good.
Can I have the last one, please?
all right, all right.
Oh, brilliant.
Oh, it goes so well
Mine.
with the.
It goes so
It's
well.
a perfect match. You want to dip it inside.
Yeah. This is like high tea in Penghu. Let's go. I like this.
Oh, yeah, it's amazing.
Wow. Have you had the Penghu style gelato?
No,
Gelato.
Gelato de Penghu.
You know, Penghu is a very windy island as well.
Yes.
And it's very dry.
And hot.
So what, yes, and hot. So what grows on the island, Zach?
Ice creams.
Oh, I can grow, yes. I grow from a tree. No, Zach, what do you have in Penghu?
The cactus ice cream.
Cactus ice cream.
In fact, I didn't try it before.
Oh, sorry, I asked the wrong
So
person.
delicious.
It's really the specialty of Penghu, the cactus ice cream. This is so insane. For me, it was really mind-blowing. I
It's
didn't
mind-blowing.
even know you could eat cactus, but actually make an ice cream out of it. It's so insane. And the color is so pretty.
Right.
It's so pretty.
Like-
Kevin, how is it?
Okay, so I was very excited to try like the cactus ice cream first time I went there before. And then when I tried it, it's so good. It's not that sweet. Like it's
exactly.
just the way I liked. Like
Yes.
yeah, it's really like
no,
very
it
good.
It tastes like grass.
Oh my god! It's not like the grass is like flowers. It's delicious. It's
and
so good.
This is
Delicious.
so good.
This is so
Right?
refreshing.
This
it's like
reminds me,
sorbet.
my grandma used to give me these little digestive biscuits that were made of sweet plum.
Oh.
Sanjaping.
Yeah. It tastes kind of like that,
Really?
but it's like ice cream form.
Yeah.
And there's so much more of it. Oh, but yeah,
It
it's
tastes like very natural.
Very
Yeah,
natural.
exactly. It's so fresh and natural.
That's,
Not
so Zach,
chemical
that's
like
why
some
Zach
ice
said
cream.
it tastes like grass.
That's
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, but why is it pink? Because the cactus fruit is pink.
what's this made from the cactus
It's
fruit?
from the
Yeah, yeah,
cactus
yeah.
fruit.
The flesh of the
not
tree.
the flesh
Not
of
the
the
flesh of the
tree.
plant. Okay,
yes,
okay.
and in the Chinese medical way of saying cactus, when you eat it, it's like aloe vera. It cools down.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is actually very good for when you go
Yeah.
traveling,
Yeah.
when you go, under
This
the
is-
sun
yeah.
for 10 hours and you go diving, surfing,
Yeah.
windsurfing. Yes, you need to have this after all your
Yeah,
activities.
so especially in Penghu, when in half hour you already have burned from
Oh.
the sun.
Yes, yes.
When I went to, okay, you can eat your.
yeah, yeah.
Yes,
And we
yes.
are eating.
I already finished mine.
Okay, one more.
In Penghu, you can eat a lot of sashimi. It's really cheap.
Yeah.
It's really insane how cheap it is. And
yeah, it's
I think every foreigner when come to another country have a three rulers. You need to eat cheap, a lot of food, and really delicious.
Right.
This is a three ruler for every foreigner.
Yeah, when
And
you
in
travel.
Penghu,
Yeah, you
bro,
get
you
more
can eat
food, yeah,
a
you
lot
get
of
what you want.
sashimi. Well, my girlfriend prefer the Ukraine, that's animal in
Urchin.
Sea urchin.
Urchin.
Ukraine is something.
They have a lot in Penghu.
Urchin.
Yeah, urchins are really nice.
It's
You don't like?
Kevin,
You doesn't sound like a guy of the sea. Okay, so in Penghu, I had so many oysters. I think I never had that much oysters in my life.
but the smaller ones.
No,
right?
it's big one. Big
Hey,
one.
but the smaller ones have the condensed,
Flavor.
oyster flavor
I've been
inside.
with locals in Penghu on the seaside, and they break the small
Right,
ones and
right.
they eat it raw.
Right,
like that.
right.
On the
That's what we
seaside.
This is a picture I
Right on the
took in
floor.
Penghu.
Hey,
So it's like a buffet of oysters.
Hey, is this imported oyster? Or is it local?
This is from France. Come on,
This
this
is
is written
local.
here.
It's fresh. And you just grill it, you know, and you just open. And there you go.
that is
There
really
goes the
crazy.
oyster. This place is very nice because you get to sing like karaoke at the same time you eat like.
So local.
It's so local. Everybody was going crazy. Like I was the only foreigner there.
So cute.
So I was just singing and like getting my oysters and singing was such a happy moment.
So nice.
I love the squid in Penghu. It is so unfair that why the squid in Penghu are so juicy and sweet.
It's not fair.
You're spoiled. You come back. Squid is ruined.
Why?
It's ruined.
Because
Perfect.
Taiwanese usually cook the squid with deep fried or barbecue.
Yeah.
But in Penghu, they just use water to cook and it's already very sweet and juicy.
I need to call
yes,
Mercy.
yes.
I need to call Mercy.
Hey, do you want to book a ticket now?
Yeah. My stomach is really hurting.
Right. But after all the eating,
Yeah.
you need to go for,
A soak in
burn
the
some,
sea, you know?
burn some calories, man.
Yeah, good water sports too. Like,
Yes. Who went surfing? Surfing,
Yes.
yeah. Enrique surfing? No for Louis?
Bad weather on that weekend. And we had local friends who are crazy about food, and they just. I'm crazy about food, so yeah.
Okay. So there's a lot of eating. No
2
time
days
to-
eating nonstop.
That's
That
a
sounds
good
like a
choice.
good time.
Yeah.